Hey guys, it's Monique and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as y'all can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing my black soft locks. This is basically a tutorial, I show y'all how to do it towards the front, but y'all could watch me for the rest of my hair. By the way, as y'all can see, I'm in a new space right now. This is my new room. Ooh. And I need to show y'all a room tour, so that video is definitely gonna be coming up. I'm still in the process of decorating, but anyways, that's not what this video is about. I'm gonna be doing my hair today. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Before I jump into anything though, please like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end of this video. Follow me on Instagram at @AmormoAsh and on Snapchat at mo.ballad. And without further ado, let's just jump into this video. All right, so under this bonnet, my hair is already parted up like this. So I don't know if I did the parts too small, but yeah, this is what we're working with today, and this is about to take very long. So yeah, I'm mentally prepared myself, but I'm still not ready. Let me show y'all the hair that I got. So all right, so basically I had leftover dreads, so I kind of used the leftover dreads that I have, and then I might extend them, but I did buy a pack of the extended ones, 36 inches, so it's really long. The brand is Bobby Ross, and yeah, I got a pack of this. I have a pack of I have 2 packs of the spring afro twists. It looks like this. So I have another pack of that, and I have this Latress 24 inches, and it looks like this. If this is not long enough, then I'm gonna extend it, but I don't think I'm gonna do my hair this long. I need it up to my butt, and I'll be satisfied. And I might just add some curls in there. So I also have the deep twist 22-inch curly hair from Freetress. So I have this as well, and I might just leave some of this out because I want that curly look to it. So yeah. So yeah, I'm about to just start the 3 in the back. This is about to take so long, I'm about to cry. Knowing how to do your own hair is cool or whatever, but after a while it's just all right, it's giving I just pay somebody to do it. But who's trying to pay $500 for some dreads when you can do it yourself? So here we are. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna just speed this up because y'all not really gonna see the back of my head. So I might do the first row, talk about how to do it, but then y'all are really gonna see how to do it when I get to the top of my hair. So I'll give y'all a more in-depth tutorial. Okay, so what I'm using is nail glue because I think I'm gonna have to extend some of this hair. My crochet needle to push the hair in, twist it around, whatever, and some mousse and some scissors to cut the hair or anything of that sort. That's really all I'm using for my hair right now. I'm taking my crochet needle, I'm pushing it through like this. I'm taking my dread, putting it on the crochet needle, closing it and pulling it through, opening up my dread and pulling my hair through it and doing that. Then I'm taking my twisting hair and basically doing the same thing in one side, so it should look like this. And then I'm just gonna twist it around. make sure one side is longer than the other one, so you're able to twist over your hair. Twist 3 times at the root. 1, 2, 3, and then go all the way down. And boom, you have a dread. All right, y'all, so I kind of did some of the back. This is what I have so far. I added some curls in, and yeah. All right, y'all, so it's day 2. It's like 3 o'clock right now. I went to bed at 4 a.m. I'm about to finish the other half of my head. This is like what I finished, like basically almost half. Like once I finish up here, then I could finally start the front, and we're this close to finishing. Like when I tell you, this is taking so long, like, oh, and this pimple is getting me upset. Like, look at this, like, face. Yeah, so I'm about to just continue this long journey, and yeah, I think around the time that I'm gonna finish, so it's around 3 o'clock right now, I'm gonna give it till 8 o'clock the latest. Like if I'm still going after 8 o'clock, just know something is wrong. Like I better be done in 5 hours at least. So yeah, let's just jump into this once again. So the Cuban twist hair isn't covering like look, this is my hair and it stopped right there. So what I do is I take the water wave hair and I just kind of wrap it and I make it a little bit distressed, meaning like basically I do long butterfly locks as well. I'm just doing whatever at this point, and I just know it's gonna turn out really cute when I'm done with it. Yes, I'm dying right now. I'm just ready to be done. Like usually my hair doesn't take this long, but these parts are really small, so this hairstyle should last me a while. Even though I kind of hate keeping my hair for too long, like after 2 to 3 weeks, I'm like, all right, it's done. Like, it's time to come out. But the amount of work I put into this, I'm gonna have to keep it in for at least a month. All right, y'all, it's about to be 8 o'clock. I have about 6 dreads left to do and I'll be done. Like, I'm just tired. Like, this is tired. I'm ready to be done ASAP so I could eat. Like, oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm on my last dread and this is gonna be like the mini tutorial for y'all. So first things first, of course, forget the dread. Get your crochet needle, stick it through, the braid like that. Attach the dread on the crochet needle. Open up the dread like that, attach it on the crochet needle. Close the latch, pull it through. Open it up a little bit, like this. Take the dread and your braid and pull it through. So boom, now we just have this. Well, this part is optional, but I'm gonna add curl to mine, so it kind of looks frizzy right now. Take some mousse, kind of run it through. Put the curl on the latch. Close it, pull it through like this. Hold it like this and hold one strand and pull the other through like this, so you'll have one on each side. Then I take my twisting hair that I showed you guys earlier in the video. I take like a good piece of it, not too much. Like this much. Same thing. Crochet needle through like this. Attach it. Pull it through. Should be left with 2 strands. Again, if this will cooperate. Okay, so boom, we have 2 strands like this. Then what I do is make sure the curl is long enough, like that. Take the Cuban twist hair and start twisting. So basically, and then what I like to do is basically take the short curl out first and kind of put it up here, and then I continue twisting. Then I take the long curl out, hold the rest, continue twisting, Twist all the way down, and boom, I still have my hair showing. So attach it to the braid literally like this, hold it, and just wrap it around. And then to distress it, I kind of take a little piece like this, put my thumb, and wrap it around. And I just keep doing that. Yeah, I'm not looking for perfection because it's supposed to be distressed. So like that's kind of the whole point. So then after I twist it all the way to the bottom, I kind of just do this. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just taking my mousse and applying a lot because my dreads need to like loosen up a little bit. And alright, so the last thing I'm about to do is my edges. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. It's still on the stiffer side, but yeah, this is exactly what I was going for with the curls and everything. Don't mind my room because like you already know. But yeah, this is the outcome. I love them. Yeah guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you guys in some type of way. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end of this video. Well, right now. Follow me on Instagram at @momoash. Follow me on Snapchat at mo.valid. And I will see you guys in the next video.